In our previous videos, we have understood that sialic acids are mainly overexpressed on the solid tumors. For example, in the pancreatic in the pancreatic cancer case, we have seen a lot of paper that have published that sialic acids are overly expressed on the on the surface of the pancreatic tumors, and these sialic acids play a role either towards immune evasion, and also the sialic acids helps in the metastasis of the solid tumors. And we have discussed several papers in our previous videos. You can go through those papers in order to understand how this sialic acid plays a role towards this tumor progression and immune evasion. So in this video we will cover one of the sialic acid inhibitor that has been published, and it has shown some positive results towards preventing the metastasis of the tumors. And in this paper they have taken the example of the lung tumors. So what they have done is they have prepared the sialic acid inhibitor, and first they check whether the sialic acids can be whether the sialic acids can be uh, sialic acid productions can be inhibited or not in the cell culture medium, and they can see that whenever their sialic acid inhibitor, which they call at P3FX nu 5AC, the silations in those kind of cell cultures is significantly lower compared to the control case the where there is no sialic acid inhibitor is present. And these things is being shown here both in the form of this fluorescence figure, and also in the quantification of these fluorescence images that can be seen here. And next, after the successful results they got from the cell culture medium, what they did is they inject this sialic acid inhibitor into the tumor lung metastasis model of the mice. And how this some of the descriptions of the sialic acid inhibitor is shown here. That is, it contains this PLGA core, and after that this tumor targeting anti-monoclonal antibodies are present, and it will target the sialic acid that are present on the tumor cells. and and this tumor targeting anti-TRP1 monoclonal antibodies are being expressed on this PE gylated lipid layer. That the understandable figure is shown in the top left corner of the this panel. And when this tumor targeting sialic acid inhibitor is injected into the mice model, they can see that in the case of the control where there is no sialic acid inhibitor, there is a metastasis. Tumors can be found across different part of the lungs, whereas uh, in the case where this sialic acid inhibitor is injected, the condition of the lung is very healthy compared to the control case. So this could indicate that since the sialic acids are being inhibited, in this case the function of the sialic acids to promote metastasis, and at the same time help help the tumor cells towards its proliferation, that functions will be inhibited, because sialic acid will not be able to interact with the immune cells such as monocytes to differentiate them towards tumor associated macrophages, and thereby this tumor associated macrophages can help the tumor cells in the immune evasion. At the same time, these macrophages also uh, helps these tumor cells towards this metastasis. And that part, the how this sialic acids on the tumor cells interacts with this Siglec receptors on the immune cells such as monocytes are been discussed in one of our previous videos. You can refer to those previous videos to understand how the sialic acids plays a role towards metastasis of the tumor cells, and also towards this immune evasion. So these things, so when the sialic acids are inhibited by the sialic acid inhibitor, this the role of the to act against these tumor cells will be uh, uh, is shown to be increased, and then immune system can act against the tumors which are not which oxalic acids are being inhibited, or oxalic acids are you can say uh, not able to interact with the Sialic receptors or sialic acid receptors on the immune cells. And so the positive results are being shown in this mouse model in this paper, that the lungs, the metastatic lungs is shown to improve whenever the sialic acid inhibitors are being uh, injected in this tumor lung metastasis model. So these inhibitors could be a this type of inhibitors, that is sialic acid inhibitors. In our previous videos, we have also discussed one of the sialic acid inhibitors. So this approach to inhibit the sialic acids on the tumor cells could be one of the ways by which uh, solid tumors can be diagnosed or cured in the nearby future. If you need to understand more about this sialic acid, how this sialic acid inhibitors helps in curing this solid tumors, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.